Salty. New?
Hot, cute guy? Has an accent? Who is this goddess? What's his name?
Bob. What kind of hot guy is named Bob? Bob the Builder? Okay. Where is he? Oh my hallelujah. I'm not dead yet until I get my boo-boo babe. Come sit here, Bob. Come sit here. Come sit here! Hey, Bobby. 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 Booby.
Oh my God!
I'm so funny! Who's laughing? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, you have to go pee? Okay. Have fun. Can I go to the bathroom? I need to pee! Thank you. Ow. Is anyone in there? This is the janitor. Who do you think it is? This is your mom. What? Who do you think this is? It's the janitor. I'm coming in. I'm coming. Hey, Bobby. Oh my gosh, you're naked. You're naked. You're naked! Sorry. Call me! Peekaboo! If you guys enjoyed me stalking Bobby, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and if you liked Lala and the whole entire Goofy class, then get ready to see part 2 because I'm making this a whole series on YouTube. I love you. Bye.